When mounting meter module packs on concrete block, selecting the right concrete anchor is crucial for a secure and reliable installation. Several types of concrete anchors are available, each suited for different load requirements and concrete conditions. Firstly, Tapcon concrete screws are ideal for medium-duty applications. These screws are self-drilling and self-tapping, which eliminates the need for pre-drilling. They are typically made of hardened steel for durability. Secondly, toggle bolts are suitable for light to medium-duty applications. A toggle bolt consists of a long bolt with a butterfly-shaped toggle that expands behind the concrete block. They are easy to install and can be removed without leaving behind any debris. Thirdly, concrete expansion anchors are designed for heavy-duty applications. These anchors expand inside the concrete block to create a secure hold. They are available in various sizes and lengths to accommodate different load requirements. Fourthly, sleeve anchors are similar to concrete expansion anchors but have a sleeve that is inserted into the hole before the bolt is installed. This provides increased holding power, making them suitable for heavy loads. Fifthly, chemical anchors are more suitable for bonding to concrete block. These anchors consist of a two-part epoxy that is injected into the hole and hardens to form a strong bond with the concrete. They are ideal for permanent and load-bearing applications. To ensure a successful installation, it is important to follow a step-by-step procedure. 1. Mark the mounting locations and drill holes using a masonry bit appropriate for the anchor size. 2. Clean the holes of any debris to ensure proper anchor seating and bonding. 3. Insert the anchors according to the manufacturer's instructions, as different anchor types require specific installation techniques. 4. Tighten the bolts securely but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the anchors or the concrete. 5. After installation, check the stability of the meter module packs before putting them into use. Choosing the right anchor and following proper installation techniques will ensure a secure and reliable mounting for the meter module packs. Keep in mind the following tips. Firstly, choose the appropriate anchor type based on the weight and load the meter module packs will be carrying. For heavier loads, expansion or sleeve anchors are preferable to Tapcon screws or toggle bolts. Secondly, use anchor bolts that are long enough to engage with a sufficient amount of concrete. Insufficient embedment depth can compromise the anchor's holding power. Thirdly, avoid over-tightening the bolts, as this can damage the anchors or the concrete. Follow the manufacturer's torque specifications for optimal performance. Fourthly, if the concrete block is hollow, use anchors specifically designed for this application, such as hollow wall anchors. These anchors expand or grip the inside of the hollow block to provide a secure hold.